This is the second part of my interview with Mr. B. Man is capable of changing the world for better if possible, and of changing himself for the better if necessary. That is going to lead into what our personal growth is going to be. We can decide what area we want to focus on, whether it could be micro with one-on-one, person that is struggling with their spirituality. We can actually do a group setting, we can do some administration in that religious area. Macro, we can actually go across the globe and help others that need assistance with clothing and food, things like that. As social workers, we are the ones to start this leadership to help others. We can do this with the faith-based organizations, and it helps meet the human needs of the world, and we can actually help us to get to that point. I also want to, with Southern Baptist, this is what their goal is. Their goal is to make peace, encourage others to join that religion, and just tell them the truth about their religion. We want them to know, that we follow the strict guidelines, and it's easy if we just accept it. And Mr. B actually has expressed that in our interview as well. In our self-reflection, I want to actually be a part of the hospice arena. I want to help people get the peace, understanding of the faith that they are looking at, and let them know that they are dying with dignity. We also need not only the person that is dying, but we also want to encourage the family that's left behind. So we want to honor that the rituals that they have if a person passes away. This class is really going to help me out with everything. I can actually know and I can understand what each religion and faith and the spiritual side of things, so I can honor them. And this class is really going to help me out with everything that I described. These are the references that I've used throughout the PowerPoint. And thank you so much for listening to me, and